One Facebook lead and watch what happens next. Salesforce, Google Sheets, and WhatsApp all updated automatically. As you can already see on your screen, the automation is working completely live. A new lead comes through my Facebook lead ads form, and within seconds, Salesforce creates the contact, Google Sheets stores the lead details, and the customer receives a personalized WhatsApp message. One lead, 3 actions, 0 manual work. And today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to build this complete setup step by step using Pabbly Connect. Now, why Pabbly Connect? See, Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation platform that's help you to automate and integrates all of your favorite applications without coding. And you know what is the best part? You can also create this amazing automation along with me using Pabbly Connect free trial. And after trying the tool, if you find it useful and creates a mind to purchase its subscription plan, then you don't need to pay the regular price. Simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So without wasting any more time, let's start the creation of this workflow. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/connect and create a free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Connect, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can create and manage all of your automation workflows. For creating a new workflow, you need to click on this plus create workflow button. So there are 3 ways to create a workflow inside Pabbly Connect, and all of these are best. But in this tutorial, I'm going to create a workflow by using Quick Builder because it is the fastest and the smartest way. As soon as I click on that option, this Connect Task Studio is going to be appear in front of me. Here you need to give a single line prompt and it will automatically creates a workflow for you. I'll show you how it will work in real time. See, as soon as I enter the prompt, auto sync lead adds to Salesforce, Google Sheets, and WhatsApp, it analyzes my request and asks me which Facebook lead ads trigger should start this workflow. That I am selecting as new lead instance. After that, it is asking me about the Salesforce action that I am selecting as create contact. Next, it is asking me about the Google Sheets action that I am selecting as add new row. And next, it says that multiple apps match WhatsApp. Which one would you like to use? So here I am going to use Pabbly Shortflow for sending a message to my customers on WhatsApp. And the Pabbly Shortflow action I am selecting as send text message. See, within a second, it will automatically create a workflow for me and asking me for my approval. So I'll click on this approve and create button, and see, it says that workflow created successfully. Now I'm going to open this workflow. Look at this. I got the exact applications that I want, that is Facebook lead ads, Salesforce, Google Sheets, and Pabbly Chartflow. You can also rename your workflow from here if you want to. See, after getting the application, we need to make a connection between our account and Pabbly Connect. So to do this, you need to click on the application. After that, click on this connect button. If you have an existing connection, then you will select this option. I'm going to add a new connection, so I'm selecting this one from here and clicking on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here inside the system, my Facebook account is already logged in, so I'm clicking on this continue button, and see, my Facebook account is going to be connect with Pabbly Connect. Moving forward, here you need to select the page where you are running the ad right now, that I am selecting as the Magic Makers. After that, you need to select the lead generation form, that I am selecting as new leads. After that, the response format I am selecting as simple and clicking on the save and send us request button, and you will see I have received the positive response. I had started waiting for the webhook response as well. Now for getting this webhook response, I'm going to take you to my Facebook for Meta Developers page. So for that, you need to search for Meta for Developers in a new tab and go inside this link. See, this is the official page of Meta. After reaching this page, you need to click on this resources option. After that, click on this developers tools option. Next, you need to scroll down and you will see an option by the name of lead ads at your debug tool. Just click on it. After that, select the same page from here that you have selected inside your workflow. I have selected the magic maker, so I'm selecting the same here too. After the product, I'm selecting as lead retrieval and the form as new lead. See, this is the same form that I have selected here also. After selecting the form, next you need to click on this preview form button. Moving forward, I'm going to enter the email address as rohan@pabblytudes.com. First name is Rohan, last name is Singh, one test contact number, and the city name as Bhopal. After that, I'll click on this continue button and this submit button. See, the form has been submitted successfully. Now let's check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not. Here you just have to wait for a few seconds and you will see I have received the response with all the test data that I have entered while filling the form. This means that the connection between my Facebook lead ads account and the Pabbly Connect is working perfectly and the setup of our trigger application is completed. See, in this workflow, I have selected the trigger application as Facebook lead ads, but you can select any application by the help of which you can generate a lead. Moving forward, our first action application is Salesforce. For creating a connection between your Salesforce account and Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this connect button. After that, click on this add new connection and click on this connect with Salesforce. After that, provide the access to Pabbly Connect, and this is how easily you can connect your Salesforce account with Pabbly Connect. Moving forward, in this first name field, I'm going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from the previous application, that is this Facebook lead ads. To do the mapping, you need to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in this first name field, I'm going to do the mapping of first name. Here it is mapped. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic. As different customers have different data, so for capturing each customer's data dynamically, mapping is used. With the help of this mapping, automatically every time on the new form submission, this data will change. And I want you to know that I have mapped only some fields here, but you can map more. My objective is only to teach you how you can create an automation by using Pabbly Connect. After doing the mapping, I'll click on the save and send test request button and you will see I have received the positive response. Now let's check our Salesforce contact to see whether a new contact is created or not by refreshing it. Look at this. Automatically, a new contact is created inside my Salesforce CRM by the name of Rohan Singh, exactly same that I have mapped here. So this means that the connection between Pabbly Connect and the Salesforce is working perfectly. And I want you to know that I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. Now comes to our next action application as Google Sheets for storing the customer's information inside the sheet. For that, you need to click on this connect button, click on this add new connection. After that, click on this sign in with Google. Select your account from here, provide the permission, and see the connection is created successfully. Moving forward, here you need to select the spreadsheet that I am selecting as Facebook leads, and as soon as you can select the spreadsheet from here, all the columns that are present inside the sheet is going to be visible in the form of fields. As you can see, this is the same sheet that I have created by the name of Facebook leads, where I added the columns such as first name, last name, phone number, email, and city. All these columns are here. Now in each of these columns, again I am doing the mapping from the previous application, that is this Facebook lead ads, for making the data dynamic. See, the steps are almost similar. You need to understand the logic only. See, after successfully mapping all the field, I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. And you will see I have received the positive response. Now let's check our sheet to see whether a new row is added or not. And see, automatically a new test row is added inside our sheet by the same name as Rohan Singh, contact number, email address, and the city name as well. So this is how easy it is. Now comes to the most interesting part, that how you can send a message to customers on WhatsApp. So to do this, I have used the application called Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. For each subscription plan also, you can use my coupon code. After selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you need to click on this connect connect button and click on this add new connection. Next, it will ask you to enter the API token. So for getting this token, you need to go towards your Pabbly Chartflow dashboard. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chartflow, and on the left hand side below you will see settings option where you have to go inside this API and webhooks option, and here you can successfully get the API token. So copy this token from here and paste it in this field. After pasting the token, you need to click on this save button and see the connection is created successfully. Moving forward, in this recipient WhatsApp mobile number field, I'm going to do the mapping of mobile number from the previous application. Here I have mapped, and one more thing, the number will include the country code without plus sign. With the help of this mapping, automatically based on the customer's contact number, this number will change. After that, I'm going to enter the message in this WhatsApp message field that I want to send to my customers. Here I have added. Now I want to make this message personalized for each of my customers. So to do this, I'm again doing the mapping from the previous application. As again and again I am saying that mapping is the most important step. And I have entered this message content completely based on my choice. You can change it based on your own business requirements. Here I have successfully mapped all the required fields. After that, I'll click on the save and send test request button. And you will see I have received the positive response, that is status as success and messages sent. Now I'm going to show you my WhatsApp account. Look at this. Immediately I received a new message on my WhatsApp and it's my name, email, phone number, city name and all the required information. As we have successfully received the message on our WhatsApp, this means that our last action step is also working perfectly and our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. So this is the easiest way to auto sync lead ads to Salesforce, Google Sheets and WhatsApp. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this amazing workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. And this is just one example. By using the same tool, you can integrate thousands of other applications based on your own business use cases. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.